What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JMO704 and I'm coming to you again with another 2-Minute Tuesday. If you haven't checked out my last week's 2-Minute Tuesday where I talked about things that we can do internally to make sure that our beard can grow, make sure you go ahead and check out that video. But on today's video, we're going to talk about things that we can do externally to make sure that our beard reaches maximum growth. That goes into reason number 2 as to why your beard is in the struggle, and that's because of your poor grooming habits. Man, I've seen so many guys out here that could have the potential to have a great beard, but because they don't take care of it in the way that they should, they're not going to see the maximum growth that they're looking to see. So what are some things that we can do? Let's just start with the basics. Washing your beard at least 1 to 2 times a week. Conditioning your beard, whether that's conditioning on your wash days, using a leave-in conditioner, and even deep conditioning your beard at least once a week or bi-weekly if you choose to. And number 3, having a solid beard grooming routine for the night and the morning. And you know, if you would like for me to post my nighttime routine and my morning routine, drop a comment down in the comment section and let me know, man. I'll put that out for y'all. That is going to be super important in terms of the growth of your beard. Hope you enjoyed those 3 tips. Again, if you want me to drop my nighttime and my morning beard routine, make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then make sure you leave me a comment down in the comment section, man. And again, I will put that out for you guys. So stay tuned for the next 2-Minute Tuesday, where we will talk about another factor as to why your beard is in the struggle. So until the next video, y'all, peace.